Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Wi-Fi connection that keeps disconnecting on Windows 11. First, we'll stop Windows from turning off your Wi-Fi adapter to save power. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section and find your wireless adapter. Right-click it and choose Properties. Open the Power Management tab, then uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK to save the change. This prevents Windows from disabling your Wi-Fi adapter when it thinks it can save battery or power. If the problem continues, reset your network settings. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. At the bottom of the page, click Network Reset. Choose Reset Now, then confirm the action. Your PC will restart after a few minutes. A network reset removes and reinstalls your network adapters and restores all network settings back to their default values. Once you've completed these steps, check if your Wi-Fi connection stays stable and no longer disconnects. Thanks for watching.